Think your barbell squat is perfect? What if I told you that one small mistake could be holding back your leg growth and putting unnecessary stress on your knees and lower back? The scary part, most people make this mistake every single workout, without even realizing it. So, before your next squat, watch this. It might completely change the way you lift. Let's start with the biggest mistakes. Some people let their knees collapse inward, others round their lower back at the bottom. Some never squat deep enough, and many people add more weight before they master the movement. Here's the truth. The barbell squat isn't just a leg exercise, it's a full body movement. If one part is out of position, everything else has to work harder. Think about building a skyscraper. If the foundation is weak, it doesn't matter how strong the upper floors look, sooner or later, the whole structure starts to fail. Your squat works exactly the same way. Now let's build the perfect squat. One step at a time. First, position the bar on your upper traps, not on your neck. Grip the bar tightly. Pull your elbows slightly down. Now place your feet about shoulder width apart. Turn your toes out just a little. This gives your hips and knees room to move naturally. Before you squat, take a deep breath into your stomach. Brace your core, like someone is about to punch you. That tight core becomes your body's natural weight belt. Most people skip this step, and that's where problems begin. Now it's time to squat. Don't just bend your knees. Start by sending your hips back slightly, at the same time. Let your knees move naturally over your toes. Keep your chest up. Keep your back neutral, and keep your eyes looking slightly forward. Lower yourself under control. Don't rush. Imagine you're sitting onto an invisible chair. Not falling, not collapsing, just a smooth, controlled movement. Here's something most people never hear. You shouldn't squat behind your body. You should squat between your legs. That simple change makes a huge difference. Now let's talk about depth. Many people believe deeper is always better. That's not true. Only squat as deep as you can while keeping your back neutral. For most people, that means your hips drop just below your knees. If your lower back starts rounding, don't force extra depth. Improve your mobility first. Remember, a perfect controlled squat always beats a sloppy deep squat, every single time. Now it's time to stand back up. Push your entire foot into the floor. Imagine you're pushing the ground away from you. Drive your hips and chest upward together. Don't let your hips shoot up first. If they do, your lower back takes over, and that's exactly what we don't want. As you pass the hardest part of the lift, breathe out, stand tall, lock your hips naturally, then repeat. Every rep should look almost identical. That's how real strength is built. Want to make your squat even better? Slow down the lowering phase. Control every inch of the movement. Record yourself from the side. The camera often catches mistakes your brain completely misses, and remember this. The strongest lifters aren't the ones lifting the heaviest weight. They're the ones with the best technique, because perfect technique always creates long-term strength. So let's recap. Set the bar correctly. Brace your core. Keep your feet planted. Track your knees over your toes. Keep your back neutral. Squat with control and drive through your whole foot as you stand. Now, here's your challenge. Right after this video, do 10 perfect barbell squats. Forget the weight. Focus only on your technique. I promise, you'll immediately feel stronger, more stable, and more confident. Master the movement first. The strength will come later. See you in the next workout.